Barack Hussein Obama.
So what's that?
Barack Hussein Obama.
Hussein Obama, change. People are freaking out, like about this, like fucking, oh, phew. Ah, you won! Ah, God, there's gonna be change! It's like fucking change. People are like, finally, some change. Change, finally. Just like, yeah, what kind of change? Change. But wait, there's gonna be some changes. Fucking right, man, there's gonna be change. What change? What change? Serious change. Change you can count on. Meaningful change. Americans have spoken, and they want change. Change what you're going to get? Meaningful change. Change. You know what the economic situation, you know what I think he's really saying? Change. He's just getting fucking change. There you go. Some meaningful change you can count on. Pennies. Backed by copper. Perfect. It's copper. It's copper. It's backed by copper. Not gold, not silver. But this guy won. Well, just before he's going to win, I swear to God, you can walk down St. Catherine and just hear every third person going, after a while, it's just like, it just sounded like a fucking chicken. It's still to this day, I still hear like, is that his name? Is that his real fucking name? You see his birth records in Hawaii, eh? No, don't look at his name. His real name, Barack Obama, or Barack Hussein Obama, Saddam bin Laden. What? It's like the whole fucking thing, you know, and it rhymes. Man, I'm surprised there's no rappers going to town with this yet. Coalition, pro-road. What are you talking about, pro-road? I won that coalition utopia. I mean, the Quebec unite with the NDP and the Liberals against the bad man. Fucking delusion. They had everybody spinning on the front page, eh? Fucking, yeah, coalition. Pro-rogue. Fucking I never used that word before. Now it's just a fucking word. When do you ever use this word, pro-rogue? When have you met somebody on Facebook, had a date, and you didn't like it, and you're like, you know, I'm going to pro-rogue this date. This date is pro-rogue. Financial crisis, you got to let a few people go. Look, John, it's not working out here. We got to pro-rogue you. I'll put you out. What? Rogue, isn't that like Latin for thief? See, and then they do this shit. Just fucking, while I'm telling the truth and shit, just set off some car alarms. They can do that shit. Some satellites now. Fuck up my set. I always in the car alarms on my fucking set. Because they know I get distracted when I'm talking about the car alarm. Change. That's great. I don't have a TV at my house, but I had to hear people just going around, oh, this guy, man, he represents change. Yeah, according to Time magazine and Men's Health, and all the other magazine covers, change on Men's Health. It's like Men's Health. As president, you gotta be healthy. Program. Healthy president, good teeth. Muscular, relax, he's not that black. He's just as much white as he gets fucking black. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Yeah, I might have the color, but you know, maybe I'm not that fucking color. The color coded? You got a color coded society? You just had a nice one there? You had a nice big huge spending theme that was color coded? Christmas? I call it red green. It's just red green. Went through the red green spending system cycle, you know, red green, which was preceded by
black orange.
That's right, orange black. Witches and pumpkins! Witches and pumpkins! Halloween's over, okay, bring down the orange black. Put the red and green! Put the red and green! I swear to God, it's like fucking, there's not even any time between them now. I'm going down St. Catherine, there's like a truck, and there's a guy on Halloween night, he's fucking sneaking out reindeers. Can we just get a fucking half an hour between the color sets? Can we get in? And there's people like sneaking in fucking red and green or orange and black. Whoa. The corner priest's starting to look like vomit. Can we get one system of complementary colors here? And what's after red green? What's red? pink red. It's loving time. You met her during red and green, now you gotta seal it. They fucking know this. They know you might have met somebody during the holidays under the mistletoe. So they put them red, fucking pink, now you gotta seal it. Valentine's coming. Shit, we just met during red and green. Now you gotta seal it. Red and pink, huh? That's all vaginal. Red, pink, purple. Right? Yeah, it's a heart too, eh? Little symbol of a heart, you know? Like, what is that? A little heart, a little cartoon heart? What is that? That's like the two best geometries put into one. That's tits and pussy in one thing. That's the fucking heart. That's not the shape of a human heart. I thought that was the shape of a human heart until like I was 8 years old and said, no man, it's this. So I was like, fucking hosey thing pumping out hair and shit. It's jiggling inside me. Get it out! I want a Valentine's heart! Get that thing out of me! Yeah, that thing's alive! It's a parasite! No, it's your heart. Relax. What's after pink and red? Green and yellow. Right? Because it's fucking Irish Day. For the Irish.
It's gonorrhea.
They're puking out all the yellow and green shit after the parade. Sorting it out. Springtime's coming. You take a little break from the color system? No, it just depends on the colors of your flag. Isn't that funny how they have all their Independence Days for most like Western countries, like after all the other colors? It's fucking blue and white. It's blue, red, and white. Red, white. Yellow, green, and yellow and white. It's just like in the summer of fucking flags. But you see with their flags. Go around this or that. That's their color. That's their symbol. A little flag it. Flag it around. Some people, when they get really upset, they take out their flags. And then the other people who are upset with those people with that flag, and then they start shit. Well, you don't, this is our street today. Why you don't, this is our flag. Bunch of people with flags. That's what I see. I'm a painter during the day, so I just see people like fucking waving drawings going, no! It's our banum with the sickle cutting wheat. With the red stripe. We're the star with the blue stripe. We're many stars and stripes. We're the flag. We're the Canadian. We're a leaf. We're a leaf. Okay, we're a leaf. We're a leaf. Are you fucking proud of that?
Yeah.
Because that represents what we wipe our ass with. That's what it is, on the leaf, huh? It's like, fuck, I hope one day we still get enough trees to put that fucking emblem on our flag, yeah? It's like we still have that thing that, yeah, I remember the day we used to have them. What are those, Daddy? That's a leaf. We had that thing's called trees. Things we cut down. For what purpose?